Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install macOS in VirtualBox on Windows PC. First thing you need to do is go to the VirtualBox official website, then click Downloads and select Windows Host. Download and install VirtualBox and return to the Download section, then download the extension pack matches the version. Open VirtualBox menu next to Tools, Extension, then click Install and load the extension pack. Now you'll need the macOS Sonoma ISO file. Visit Internet Archive and search for macOS Sonoma ISO. Download this zip file and extract it and save the ISO into a known location. Now open VirtualBox and click New. Name macOS, type macOS X, version macOS X 64-bit. Just do RAM, which is minimum 4 GB, and CPU, which is 2 cores recommended. Create a new virtual hard disk at least 35 GB, then click Finish. Before starting the VM, go to System, then Motherboard. Choose chipset ICH9 and enable EFI. Then go to System Processor and choose 2 CPUs and execution cap to 70%. Do the display video memory to 128 MB, and for storage, select the empty drive and click the disk icon, choose a disk file, then select the macOS Sonoma ISO you downloaded. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.